What up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cavell. So today I'm just gonna bring you this quick little video of me just redecorating this room. So initially this room I used to use it as a guest room for when my family would come and visit. So I'm kind of now just gonna be turning it into a guest room slash beauty room, so where I'm gonna be filming and editing most of my videos. So before we get any further into this video, I want to thank all the people that continue to watch my videos. I'm so close to 1K, so if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button because there's so much more to come. So I'm just going to start off by bringing in the queen size bed into the room, and the room is fairly small. So now I'm just going to remove all of the extra items there, and then I'm going to begin to just give it a light little sweep and mop. Once I've done that, I am also gonna be just wiping the walls down just to make it a little bit more crisp, because I'm not gonna really be painting it. It's kind of cold outside. I don't have a way to just ventilate, so we're not gonna do that. So I'm gonna bring in like my little Malm dresser that I purchased from Ikea. It was I think it was $169 Canadian, and so I'm just gonna be setting that up. And of course my kids are in the room with me, so it just makes for a little bit more challenging of a setup. I did speed this video up a lot because initially this video was about 2 hours, and I was just like, who the hell wants to sit and watch me just recreate this room for like 2 hours? So I literally just sped up most of the video so you kind of have an idea. And there is a lot of videos of people actually teaching you how to set up the Malm dresser, how to assemble it. So you can always just search that on here and there'll be tons of videos. Okay, so my little tribe is back. So what I'm gonna do, I only have like the drawer left to put in, so I'm just gonna take that part offline. So we're just gonna move right into day 2. Now I'm just gonna be installing these fairy lights that I purchased from Amazon, and I really can't remember how much they were, but they were really cheap. So I'll try to find the link and I'll put that in the description for you. The sheer curtains, I got those from Ikea, and I just got 2 sets just to kind of camouflage that a little. I just really wanted something to have an additional background or backdrop for when I'm filming my videos. And please excuse my diaper butt. I don't even know why I chose these pants, but it looks so unflattering. And I'm just doing a really quick setup only because that area I kind of want to do a little flower wall in that section. I think that would be super cute. So this, I think, is just going to be a temporary setup for now until I can figure out how to do a flower wall in that area. Okay, so for day 3, I'm just going to be installing these picture frames as well as these accent pieces that I got from HomeSense. The picture frames were, I think, $16.99 each, and the gold accents were $34.99. And believe it or not, this tufted headboard was a DIY project that I did myself when I was about 6 months pregnant with my daughter. Yes, I really did say approximately months later. Honestly, with this whole rolling lockdown, it's been a little bit challenging to find like pieces to put into this room, as well as like I don't have a lot of time to dedicate to doing it as I'm with my daughter or my son at any given moment, so it's kind of hard to just focus on this room solely. So this piece is a DIY project I did. It's a nail rack that I created. It had a white background, but because of the accents in the room, I really wanted something with a gold background. So what I did was I spray painted 2 pieces of like little boards that I had, and I just nailed that back together just to create the gold like little shimmer inside. This mirror I got from HomeSense and it was $19.99. Then I just took my extra little gold accessory and just put it above the mirror there. I'm just gonna be hanging the nail rack and just adding all my nail polishes. Now I'm gonna be moving on to the bedding area, and the good thing about it, I didn't have to go out and purchase like any new like duvet sets or anything like that. I got a king size bed for my master bedroom, so I have like tons of like cute queen size sheets to be able to use for this room. So I'm just going to be putting all the final touches into this room. The polka dot pillow covers, I got those from Ikea and those were $9.99. My little palm plant I got from Home Depot. That was about $20 or $19.99. The little rug that I got there was from Ikea as well, and I'm not sure how much that is, but I'll try to link that down below. And everything that you see on this little shelf unit here is from HomeSense. Honestly, I love me some HomeSense. My mom got me hooked, and that's the same DIY rack that I did. I'll put a link down below for that video if you want to watch it, or put a link in the description. That's the final piece that I also purchased, and I'm just looking for a place to be able to put that. Okay, so here's a recap of what the room looked like before we do the unveiling. Okay, y'all, so here is the finished product. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about this little room decor. Also, make sure you give this video a like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, once again, please make sure you do so, just so you don't miss any of this little cuteness and creativity that's going on. Also, I need to use my nail polish. I really don't use them. They're just there on display. that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. Bye.